Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need location services on and Rapido already booked. Start there. Once you see the ride details screen in Rapido, switch to WhatsApp and open the driver chat. Make sure your map pin matches where you really are. Inaccurate pins delay pickup. You're doing this now to send a clear point so the driver can navigate straight to you. Keep both apps running. Rapid switches are normal. If your driver isn't in your contacts, use the number shown in Rapido. Tap the attach icon in WhatsApp and pick location to send a precise point. If your pickup might move or traffic is heavy, choose Share Live Location for 15 minutes or 1 hour so the driver sees you move in real time. Once done, include a quick note, floor, gate number, or nearest landmark. This explains why the pin matters. Make sure the blue dot in the preview aligns with your spot before sending. It prevents wasted time and missed pickups. After sending, go back to Rapido and tell the driver in the app that you shared location via WhatsApp so they check their chat. If they say the pin is off, quickly resend a corrected location or paste a landmark to clarify. If location won't send, toggle GPS off/on, force close WhatsApp, and try again. Sometimes restarting both apps fixes permission hiccups. As a fallback, send a quick screenshot of your map with the pin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.